So, have you ever wondered if these companies and these apps on your phone are actually listening to you? You ever been just talking to a friend about a particular set of earbuds or a product or something, and all of a sudden you start seeing ads pop up on your phone or whatever site it is that you're on? I want to teach you how you can turn this off and what to look for. So, I want you to go to your iPhone. If you have an iPhone, there's another way to do it. I have an iPhone, so this is just for iPhone. Click on Settings. When you go to Settings, you want to scroll all the way down to Privacy and Security. Now, I've already closed mine off, but when you go to Privacy and Security, you want to look for where it says Microphone. See where it says Microphone right there? Now, when you click on it, if any of these are green, like you see me clicking on here, that means that those particular apps were listening. So when I went in on this particular setting, I noticed I had like 6 that were actually listening to me. This camera system was listening to me, Google Chrome, Instagram, Google Translate, which I understand why I would listen, um, TikTok, YouTube. I turned them all off. So now these apps and companies are no longer able to listen. And one last thing before I jump off here that I want you to be mindful. If you ever see a little orange dot up here at the very top part of your phone, that means that one of these apps on your phone is actually listening. So if you want to turn this function off on your phone, that's how you do it.